Well folks, we thought while we're out in the water we'd try the 16-foot Element, 75 horsepower Mercury. This is straight off the boat, haven't done anything, no ski prop, ready to roll. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, he's up. So folks, we're short on time today. You know, we didn't have a choice, but just bang, straight off the boat. That was pretty good, hey? So what you need to do is come into the store, TR Marine, or come and see us at the Sydney show. This boat going to be on display. Ian's going to set it up in the meantime, get it red hot to pull a big bloke like me out effortlessly. You're mad if you don't come out and check it out. As I used to always say, Bayliner, that's where fun lives.